I am out here for the first time ever trying to find some stuff. These mosquitoes are really eating me alive, by the way. But this is the first time I can document that I found something outside with crystals on it. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it at all. Oh, you can see it at the bottom a little bit right there, shining. This is the first time I've ever found something with crystals. Yeah, baby. Guys, check this out. I came down here and I saw this big piece and I was like, oh shoot, there's crystals on it. Look at that. And then I was looking around and then I saw this little piece. Get out of here. Like, I mean, get out of here. There's another one. Ah, what have I got myself into? Well, that's something you don't see every day. I've never seen a red, well, that's a centipede, I think. That's interesting. I'm literally walking up here to go back up the hill. And did you see it? Sparkling in the light. This thing is sparkling all over the place. That's a cool piece. And right next to it, some more. Another thing that I've noticed is you have to come to the spots that have the sun is shining on it, because you really can see it glisten. And that's how you actually can find stuff that normally you probably would miss. Saw this guy in here. It looked like water banding, or is that what they call it? I think that's what they call it. Nice colorful type stuff in here. Like pink, and then you automatically go to, I dropped it. Go to purple. Like, that's pretty cool. Looks like cabbage. I want to dig in this spot to see if I can find anything. Rora, are you having fun getting rocks? Are you having fun getting rocks? Yeah?
She wants to help Dad find her rock.
I saw this piece right here, and I think I'm going to take it and give it to my wife because it reminded me of a heart. Doesn't that look like a heart? I think that's pretty cool. In you go. So I'm actually finding more stuff on the surface rather than digging. All you have to do, like I said, is look in the light and you'll see them sparkle. Just like this one I just found. I literally was coming here because I wanted to look into here, and I tripped and I stumbled. Where'd it go? Shoot. Well, there's a crystal right there. You can see it. Crystal right there. But I just saw one. Oh, here's another piece. Oh. Dude, look at that. Holy. I think that's quartz, right? Okay, back to what I was trying to do. I just stumbled and it's over here somewhere. Okay, there it is. It was up here. You can see it right there. I don't know if it's tiny or big or what, but oh, it seems like it's bigger. Hold on a second. Dude, this one's kind of big. Oh, dude, look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to really clean this one off. I think there's a bunch over here or something. Oh, I wonder what that looks like cleaned off. Yeah, and somebody left this. I don't know if they didn't want to continue carrying it around or something, but I kind of scooped it up and I'm gonna use it, so it's helped me a lot. But I think I'm gonna keep looking in this spot because I've been seeing some sparkles like in different places, right on the surface, like right here too. Like, see, here's another little tiny piece. There was like a bunch. Oh, right here. Oh, right there. Yep. Come on. Did I find like a jackpot? Oh, too, like some leaves that when I'm digging, you see the water on it. I keep thinking it's crystals. Getting fooled real good. Is there any more? There's gotta be. Come on, there's gotta be some somewhere. Oh, looks like there's something right here too. Is this another one? I think this might be. Oh! Yep, it looks like it is another one. I'm getting bit up so bad. I think I got another one. Can't see it as much, but you see them there. Can you spot it? Can you spot it? There it is. Along with its buddy, right here. Oh, and right here. Oh, this one's kind of cool. I like this one. Oh my goodness. I feel like I'm hitting the jackpot right here. Oh wait, you can't see it that well. Can you see it? There you go, a little bit. And there's another one right here. Oh, holy. Oh my gosh. I don't know if just anybody finds them like this. Maybe just nobody looked over here. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Where's the other? Oh, right here too. Right in the middle of it. Is there more on it? Just a little bit more. We're gonna keep finding and keep finding. There's one right here. Yep. Got little sparkles on it. You barely can see. Right here. Oh, wow. I feel like this is just beginner's luck if you really think about it. Like, come on. This is getting absolutely incredible. Like how many I'm finding. Oh, right here too. They sparkle in the sun. I'm not finding any geodes. I'm finding like crystals and rocks. All right, guys, so I'm ending my journey of trying to find all these crystals, and who knows what I was trying to find. I was just looking for stuff and anything that sparkled. But so I'm here at the Nethers Farm. You pay, I think it's like 50 cents per pound, and then you go weigh it and then you just pay for it. But there's so much flint here. There's so many good things here, and I think I'm gonna end on a good note because I've picked up so many crystals. I just used my hands because tools, I didn't want to use tools anymore. I just wanted to get right into the earth. And I found this last one, and I think it's a good way to end on. So I'm gonna show you what it is, and then I'm peacing out. Here it is. It's got, I don't know what it is, but it shines, and it's got crystals all over it. So this is the spot I stayed in. I noticed that around the trees and these little divots right here where nobody else goes, I guess, it doesn't look too favorable, and it's not like the big dugout piles like all the rest of them where everybody digs. So I just kind of went off by myself right here, and I found a ton of sparkling goodness. Yeah, you see all these bees and flies and stuff? They were tearing me up. Okay guys, so I lied and I saw some more sparkling goodness as I was trying to leave. So yeah, I'm getting these last bit. I can't help it. It's like, it's so addicting. Yes. Yes, that was all in nitty gritty. Good tilled earth, just like Lord of the Rings.